How to cue double vision naturally. Double vision in most cases appears because of uneven overloading of eye muscles. For example, a person was looking down at his phone at the wrong angle for a long time without rest. His lower and middle straight muscles got super tired. How do we remove spasms and tension? We relax. Nice and easy, look up to the ceiling and try to feel how the upper rectus muscle of the eyes is training and the lower rectus muscle stretches a little. We close our eyes and wait until the eyes returns to the center and the muscles are balanced and relaxed. Then we blink very lightly. We look to the left for about 10 seconds, then close our eyes and wait until the tension is gone and the eyes returns to the center and blink. We look to the right for about 10 seconds, then close our eyes and wait until the eyes return to the center and blink. Personally, in my case, the lower rectus muscle of the eyes works more than the rest. I think like most people, because for example, if I look at the phone or laptop, my eyes drop down a little and works more at this time. The lower rectus muscle is more trained than the rest. And I don't pull my eyes down with eye exercises, but on the contrary, I try to train the upper rectus and left and right eye muscles. This very simple exercise can help you to balance the work of the eye muscles and to get rid of double vision. I hope it will help you. Subscribe to my channel and we'll see you in the next videos.